Hi guys, we're going to review this clear jelly stamper plate today that I just got in that unboxing, and it's CJS-C-14. It's called Diamonds on Ice. So it came with this little plastic jacket that I took off, and then it's got this beautiful card, and of course I love them because it gives you an idea of what these can look like, the images on here. And so here is the plate, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I just love it. Let me pull the blue. Don't forget to take off the blue film. There you go. Just like that. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's so pretty. I just love it. There's so many options on here, and I do want to tell you, so you can do these all, just like they are, but there are a few layered ones in here. You don't have to layer them, but you can if you want to. And so the way it works is the only layered ones on here are, so these medium ones or medium to large ones down the center here. So on each side there are layered ones. So each side there's layered ones. There's actually 6 in this size here. So it goes 1, 2, 3 layers, 1, 2, 3 layers, 1, 2, 3 layers, and then these down here are there's just 2 of 2 layers. So then you go back over here, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then down here is just 2. So 1, 2, and the same over here. So it just goes, 1, 2. And I believe there's 4 of the smaller ones, layered ones. But altogether there are 6 different, ones of these. But you can just use that third layer if you want to. You can just use that third layer, by itself. Okay, so up here is actually, it's up here. So here's the 3, rows of 1, 2, 3 layers on each side, right? And then above is where it's 1, 2, 1, 2, same thing over here, 1, 2, 1, 2. Anyway, they're just gorgeous. You can, use them just separate, however you want. But all the big ones are just, separate. I mean, you could layer stamp them yourself, but, like this one here would be really pretty that way. Anyway, so gorgeous, love it. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a couple samples. And I went ahead and got them ready. And I will put down what I used in the information box, above everything I'm using here. So I think we're just going to use, I love these medium ones here, or medium to large, whatever. We're going to use one of these, I think, and just, put it on here. So I think we'll go with, let's do silver. We're going to go ahead and do silver. I'm using Born Pretty right now. And I think we're going to go with, let's see, which one do I want to do? This one over here. So I'm just going to put the stamping polish, on like normal. And then swipe. And then roll it. And I'll put down, what I'm using. I'm using my clear jelly stamper. Hopefully you can see that really good. And then you can, you could do this like offset if you wanted to, which I think I'm going to, or you could center it in the middle. You can do it however you want to. Hopefully you can see that. Anyway, so let me clean this off. And then I think we'll try and fit a little, maybe a smaller one down here. And maybe we'll do that one in, let's see if we can do that one in a red one. And so let's see. And this one is by Clear Jelly Stamper, and it's I just got this too. I just started collecting these, so this is my latest one. It's number 33. It's Crimson Crush. Real pretty, it's a pearl. It's kind of a ruby red. Let's see, so which one would be pretty down here? Maybe one that we could fit the whole thing might be good. I think I'm gonna go with that one. Anyway, I just got it, so I haven't had time to do a mani or anything, so that should be really fun. Okay, so here it is, and I'm just gonna put it down here, maybe probably offset it a little bit to the opposite side. There we go. So I'm sure you could probably do better than me, but anyway, really fun, you know, just to play with them and try different things. I'm gonna let this dry for a minute, and we'll do one more. And I think we'll do, I don't know, which one should we do? So maybe we'll do, I don't know, how about if we do that one right there? That one's really pretty. Let's do that one. And I think we'll do that one in maybe blue this time. And this is by Maniology. And like I said, I'll put all the information or everything I'm using in the information box. Okay, this one is a pearl. Hopefully, okay, let me, really pretty. Okay, so swipe it and roll. And let me get off that right there. And there's my snowflake. I hope you can see it. I better get it on here before it dries, huh? Okay, I'm gonna try putting this one right in the middle. And kind of roll from side to side. They're just gorgeous. They're so lacy, I just love it. And I love all the different sizes, you know, that there's like extra large, and I don't know if you call this medium large or just large, but there's all different sizes all the way down to tiny. Okay, so, and then I want to show you, let's see, let's grab one more little one. Maybe I'll grab that, do a gold this time. This is Born Pretty, and let's see, maybe something with a little more chunkiness to it. Let's try this one down here. And okay, that one didn't turn out super great, but that's okay because I got most of it. So I'm just gonna do it, I think, offset a little bit. So like that. So I hope you can see that. Can you see that? See? Anyway, they're just beautiful. You know, there's lots of ways that you could do it, and lots of pretty colors. I'm going to go ahead and put this over here. Now I would just use either a water-based top coat or a gel top coat, or I'm just going to use my Maniology smudge-free top coat, which I love to use for stamping. It's awesome. Just get a generous amount. Just go down the center. I go side to side, and no smudging. Beautiful. Love it. Okay, so we're just going to put this over here, and I'm going to go ahead and do same thing here. There, 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 there. Okay. There we go. We'll put that over here so it can dry. Okay, and then I want to show you some I swatched out, stamped out on this roller also. So it starts over here, and we have our super large, and they're just gorgeous. And I would say it's like a, like a half, okay, start here. It's like a extra large, a half of extra large snowflake. Here's another one, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then we got some smaller ones here. Here's those, I don't know, large ones, medium large. I'd say these are definitely extra large. So large, just gorgeous, very pretty. And then there's, like I said, some medium, small, extra small. I just kind of put them all over here. And I think I pretty much got it all stamped out. And this is part of that swirl that's on the, so let me show you this part here. And I absolutely love this. It's one of the reasons I wanted this plate. because I'm planning on doing like, you know, a double, like stamp it in silver or white or something like that, and then a black or some other dark color over it. So layer it myself. Anyway, so there's that, and then let's see, where are we at? That's down there. You know, you're not going to be able to get the whole thing, so you could do it across, you know, all your nails, or just take a part of it like this, you know, and get, you know, as much as you can on there. But they're just gorgeous. They're beautiful. Here's a few. I did about 4 of the layered ones so that you could see. These are the layered ones here. But you know what? I mean, the layered ones would be fun for certain manis, but I absolutely just love this, you know, just the single lacy look. It's just gorgeous. So anyway, that's those. And then this is, so on here this is a layer down here. So these little dots you do first, and then these little star things go over this. And that's what this looks like. Now I do have some gold leaf in there, so hopefully you can still see. Looks kind of festive. And then these are some other ones, you know, that I just sampled out. So there's like that swirl thing I showed you that I really like. And I just did it in white first, and then the red over it, that Crimson Crush Clear Jellies, you know, pearl red one. And then, you know, just some pretty ones. Yeah, so there you go. Hope I didn't forget anything. Please like and subscribe and click on the bell icon. And I will put my 10% off code for Clear Jelly Stamper, so that if you do make an order, you know, it helps. Every little bit helps. So anyway, once again, it's CJS, and it's C-14, and it's Diamonds on Ice, and it's just gorgeous. So hope you have fun. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye.